Kao mukasa ngise balabe lo muntosido no kerea tupakina peyona kai minister na luka ngaleu districta lo Bukedi o sabiti la tubor nere apone dumunere yaito adekeshano luka grade 3 ko temana lo Bukedi kesima mejasi Thomas Wam ejasi do business kechebon.
The ministerial visit to Bukedi, we got the feedback and we have put a plan in place. We have met all the in charges. We have cautioned them about absenteeism, late coming, early departure, and we are going to work on them. We have put in place the directive that all in charges should stay near their health units.
Mokasa yata kitepe kwenya dabe officers lejaso district ludi tosomaite motokana luka puga na lotion oreri yake.
Those staff who are using government vehicles and they are staying outside the district, we have already cautioned them. But it's an issue which we have started working on. They only use the vehicles on official work, but not to run personal errands.
Yuna nakaimini sana alua neo Bukedi apara nangin neside bui sirengwe somakalu poa no districta. Idu wameni sana ngale una chichi kanifa kawaya. Nese tacha untibora yanga unikesi neo districta lo Bukedi.
We normally carry it out on periodically, and it's a support supervision. We look at the areas that need improvement. We see the areas where our constructions, especially with our policy from Health Center 3 to Center 4, we look at the staff welfare, we look at the staffing, but again we have established that there is high absenteeism.
We are not going to accept. We come here, we never see you as the head. Why is the head never here? Now we don't want you here. The cow should take away that person who does not give you the services.
Alaji otemulo angole permanent secretary Diana Twine nesabu ireta na ke soma kaluka angina kanuke sabongora taruna dekisketch na ka grade 2 kopesitowa.
We want you to have a look at this facility. This facility was turned into a storage for materials. We have gone to all other facilities where the construction is ongoing. We have gone to the facility, the facility there, but they don't abandon the whole structure and make it into the material storage place. People here don't work at all.
Tungiche luwa Bukedi le pota anyuti minisa nyiri motros kesa parna ngindiro sa omishoke.
Alex no kule. Ejana kinela Alex mamerono no pola sesena bere mamerono no. Muro kole jasi dis. Tamtu sa ngara kitituma. Mameja sade kishoko. Ipua tukishoni jasi toma. Na soditi Alex kwa natana no koliri health center 3. Koliri ere koliri Alex adio petna ibo kitituma lo ipo. Ise liptora ngotie jok are ro patana.
But I'm glad the medicines are coming, and I'm told they arrived yesterday, so the medicine should be available.
Akodongo ti alimo ken papa president. Obu bere yese lopeto ngole ay pole jatra tonga no kop na ra tonga no kop ni sa nyuto si chani mo. E pero ni sa somu plan sikiange na ko nya itodolu ne ja si tonga no kop. Mame dolu neti atwake tonga no ipu anona ra paliso kimuro ka ajauto tonga dekisia.
Evi Dried oppose TV East ko Bukedi district.